The game monitors your performance and physiology, adjusting the difficulty curve in real time to maintain the perfect state of flow.
Technology is the bedrock of our modern existence, defined as the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes across every facet of our lives.
Welcome to 2026. Gaming is no longer confined to a single box. It is a seamless, living ecosystem that follows you everywhere you go. The traditional frame loop has evolved. We are witnessing the convergence of cloud infrastructure and intelligent rendering pipelines. Cloud gaming has finally reached its zenith. Even low-end hardware can now stream photorealistic worlds with zero perceptible latency. World building has been revolutionized by AI-driven creation. Environments that once took years to build are now generated in mere seconds. This is a unified world. Whether you are on a console, a phone, or a TV, everyone shares the same persistent virtual space. Non-player characters are no longer scripted. Driven by large-scale neural networks, they react uniquely to your voice and your actions. The game monitors your performance and physiology, adjusting the difficulty curve in real time to maintain the perfect state of flow. Behind the scenes, thousands of digital ghosts perform automated quality assurance, catching glitches before a human ever sees them. Immersive hardware has moved beyond the screen. Mixed reality blends our physical living spaces with epic digital adventures. Gaming is also becoming a tool for wellness, transforming exercise into an exploration of lush, virtual jungles and mountain peaks. The most profound leap is the brain-computer interface. Neural sensors now allow us to control the game through pure focus. The creator economy has exploded, giving every player the tools to build and monetize their own unique experiences and worlds. True digital ownership is now a reality. Secure blockchain ledgers verify your rare items across every game you play. We are entering a new horizon where AI, cloud, and human consciousness blend into a single cohesive vision of the future. The future of play is no longer a dream, it's the world we live in. How will you define your reality?
Technology is the bedrock of our modern existence, defined as the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes across every facet of our lives. In the digital realm, this foundation has transformed how we perceive play, evolving from simple tools into complex, immersive ecosystems. Nowhere is this evolution more evident than on YouTube, the central hub where tech enthusiasts and gamers converge to shape the industry's future. Every massive leap forward begins with a single milestone. From the revolutionary printing press to the very first internet servers that connected the world. In gaming, we've moved from the humble flicker of 2D pixels to the breathtaking depth of 3D polygons that mimic reality itself. These historical steps laid the groundwork for the modern environments we explore today, where the line between virtual and reality continues to blur. Under the hood of every great gaming experience lies a symphony of hardware. High-end CPUs and GPUs work in tandem to process millions of calculations. Peripherals like haptic controllers allow us to feel the tension of a bowstring or the vibration of a car's engine, deepening our immersion. Software engines like Unreal Engine and Unity provide the tools for developers to craft stunning visual fidelity and complex physical interactions. Modern GPUs have reached a point where they can render hyper-realistic landscapes with ray-traced lighting, creating shadows that behave exactly like real life. Artificial intelligence is now shaping the next frontier, creating more intelligent gameplay mechanics and procedural worlds that change with every choice. YouTube has grown into a global stage where millions come to watch professional reviews, instructional tutorials, and high-energy live streams. Influencers on the platform hold immense power, shaping consumer opinions and driving the demand for the latest technological advancements. This creates a feedback loop. New technologies like virtual reality led to entirely new genres of content, which in turn drive further innovation. Major channels now conduct narrative-driven tech testing, influencing market trends by showing exactly how hardware performs under pressure. The shift toward cloud gaming and mobile accessibility means that high-fidelity experiences are no longer tethered to a single expensive machine. However, creators face unique challenges, navigating complex algorithms and the constant pressure to innovate in a competitive digital landscape. Looking ahead, we see a future defined by holographic displays and neural link gaming, redefining what it means to be in the game. YouTube will continue to evolve, serving as the primary educational and entertainment source for the next generation of tech-savvy creators. The synergy between advancing technology, the gaming industry, and digital platforms is more than just business, it is the evolution of human experience. As these forces continue to redefine how we interact, the only limit is our imagination. Welcome to the future of digital play.